Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Hope you all are doing great. Today I have Color Bar lipstick from their Glitter Me Not collection and this is called the Moonwalker lipstick. This is not a new launch product. I think it was launched some 2 to 3 years back only, but I made a lot of purchases from Color Bar this year, so they gifted me as a free gift. So this is from an older collection. So this is the outer packaging. The packaging is very beautiful, but you can see that this is an old collection, so the packaging is little damaged. It's not the perfect new product, but the outer covering and the lipstick also, it looks very beautiful. And if you have any new lipsticks, the new fresh piece, then it will look more beautiful. So as the name says, glitter me all. So all, it has everywhere glitter particles. It's actually a plastic lipstick. The outer covering is plastic and this is the bullet. The color is very beautiful. See, this is the bullet. But the outer packaging, it's all glittery and all beautiful, and on the back side you get all the details also. So this is called Appeal, shade number is 005 and shade is called Appeal, and it's a net weight of 4.5 grams, and the manufacturing and use before date is also quite good. I have 7 months because it's used before is 7/21, so I have little time to finish up this lipstick. And here also you can get the other details regarding this product. So it retails for rupees 700, and as I said that I got this as a free gift, so I didn't pay anything for this lipstick. But if you buy, you will have to pay rupees 700 for this. And here the details of this lipstick, about this lipstick, what it is and everything is mentioned. So now about the lipstick. So this packaging, it closes with a click sound. It's not magnetic, but you can hear a, yes, this click sound you can hear, and it's very tightly secured, so you can very easily keep this in your handbags, purse. You can easily travel with this lipstick. It won't open with on its own, and this is a creamy matte texture. So let me first show you the shade. So this is the shade. So on the first swipe you get so much of color payoff, but it's looking little dark on camera. It's not this much dark in original. It's a lighter shade, one shade lighter in original, but it's very beautiful for everyday use, for office wear also, and it's very lightweight. The lipstick feels very lightweight on your lips. But as this is a creamy matte texture, it is not transfer proof. It will transfer. But when it settles down, it takes around 20 to 25 minutes to settle down. After that, the transfer rate will be little less. But once you will apply this lipstick, the first 5, 10, 15 minutes, then the transfer will be more. So this is not a transfer proof or a smudge proof lipstick, but this is a very lightweight on your lips. You won't feel that you have anything on your lips, and the staying power is 4 to 5 hours without eating or drinking anything. If you will eat or drink anything, little snacks or tea something, then it will fade from the center of your lips. But if you have full course heavy meal, then the whole of lipstick will be gone. But without eating or drinking, the staying power is 4 to 5 hours only. Then you can reapply this lipstick, and it's very easy to reapply this. If you apply only one coat of this lipstick, the color payoff will be little less, but if you want, you can definitely build up the color by applying 2 to 3 coats on your lips. So if you want just a nice flush of colors, then you can apply just once. But if you want a darker pigmentation, darker color on your lips, then you can go and reapply it, build up the color by applying it 2 to 3 times. And it's very easy to build up this shade. It's very easy to use lipstick. So if you're looking for a creamy matte texture without shine, a matte formula, if you don't like liquid lipsticks, you can definitely go for this lipsticks, but it will transfer, remember this. So this was the video guys for this Color Bar lipstick. Hope this video was helpful to you and you like this video. Please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.